Hi Isabel, thank you so much for taking out your time to watch this video. My name is Tisha. I spoke to your associate Erin in regards to sending over a custom video for your company's website. The main goal in mind is to increase your online presence, have more people come over to your website, so increase your traffic and increase more business leads for you and more revenue. Today we will be talking about three things. So one being content, citations, and backlinks. So the first I want to just mention one thing with Google in order to be ranked, they do look at your website security. So I did notice that this website is not secure. So that would be one of the big things that you will want to look into is getting your website to be secure. Again, that will affect your rankings on Google as well. So the next would be content. So content is anything that can be found within your website. So any words you're using, pictures, how the pictures are saved, videos. So anything that's on the website, then that is considered content. Now, Google would like to see at least 1,500 to 2,000 words being used, again, videos or images as well, in order to increase your rankings. By having more content, then you are able to use more keywords. Now, keywords are the words that are typed in your Google search engine to find a certain service or a certain type of company. The next would be citations. So citations are anywhere your business name can be found on the web, um, or your phone number and your address as well. So the more citations you have, the easier it is for people to find you. Now these, it can be found on Angie's List, Better Business Bureau, Facebook, LinkedIn, Home Advisor. So those are some of the ways that you can actually find citations. So you would want to make sure that you have your business information out there as much as possible there on the website. So I Googled plumbers in Sacramento. So this is what I found. So the first would be the pay-per-click. So these are companies that are paying to be listed up here. The next would be the map pack. Now, on the map pack, this is really important to be in this area because oftentimes people will contact these companies first, go directly to their website, or call them directly from here. So, one of our goals would be to have you here in this map pack. The next would be what we call the organic search. So Bonnie Plumbing would be number one, and then Router Hero would be number two. So these are your two top competitors. I do want to say there are 17 pages of businesses, including other directories as well. Now, I wasn't able to find your company, so I didn't find you there in the rankings. So that would be definitely a goal to go ahead and have you listed here in that first page, and then we can look at some tips that may help that. So we'll be using this tool. It's called Ahrefs. Just shows exactly how your website is doing in comparison to competitors. So I'm showing that you have 51 backlinks. Now, backlinks are links that are on a website that leads back to your website. So it does bring in more traffic for you. Now, not all backlinks are equal. So a backlink coming from a restaurant, for example, or a backlink coming from a hardware store, for example, that's going to bring in a different type of traffic. So you want to make sure you have quality backlinks. One thing that I can do is we take a look at the backlinks that your competitors are using, and then we can go ahead and build those for you as well. I'm showing that you're using 14 keywords. Again, I wasn't able to see any traffic or what revenue. I'm not sure if it's because not able to find you in the rankings, but I wasn't able to find too much information. Now, the keywords that are being used to find your company. Okay, so this is what people are typing in to find your company. Okay. So the next would be Bonnie Plumbing. And so I'm showing that they have over 6,000 backlinks. They're using over 7,000 keywords, bringing in over 4,000 people to their website monthly. And then their revenue from that traffic is about 56,000. These are some of the keywords that they're utilizing. Okay. So again, some of these keywords, then we would work to implement this in your website as well. And then the next company is going to be Router Hero. And they have over 24,000 backlinks, over 6,000 keywords, bringing in over 11,000 people to their website and bringing in a revenue of 310,000. This website, Ahrefs, it is not 100% accurate, but it does help to see, how you're actually doing. So I hope that you did enjoy these tips that I provided. You're more than welcome to use these tips on your own. If you'd like to have a more in-depth conversation, I would love to speak with you. My phone number is 916-378-9773. I would like to receive some feedback though on this video either way. Thank you so much again for taking out your time to watch my video, and I hope you have a good day.